Jayesh,
Ma'am.
you are going to present in next class. Whatever I'll teach today, you are going to present that in next class, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And Vasanta Rao, Vasanta Rao, Vasanta Rao. Okay. If you are not able to speak, keep a message in chat box. Sudeep Reddy, you are going to present in next class. Jayesh, Sudeep Reddy, and Navdeep and Rishita. These four members are going to present in next class. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So we will start our class. Okay. So first, the first program is for today's step counter. Okay. For that, you need to guide me. Step counter is very simple program. Anyone. See, for step counting, and the first thing is when we are stepping, like when we are starting from our house, the first step will be zero, right? We are standing, that is a zero step. Then we'll move, right? That is first step, second step, third step, fourth step, like this. Okay. So what we need to do, first we need to set a step is zero. First we will set step is zero. Then we will change the step. Change the step by one. One by one it will change, right? Directly it will not go to 100. One by one it will change. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In you are using that band now, watch band, mi band, something. In that also, if you will see now, when you are standing, it will be 0. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this it will increase. So what we need to do, we need to set the variables in this. What like now, what name should be for that variable? Anyone? Anyone speak? Anyone?
Step counter, ma'am.
What?
Step counting.
Yeah, step counting or step. Simple. Simply give me step. Okay. Now, two things are there. Step, that is a simple. Set step to zero. This is a first position our at zero, zero, one. So set step is zero. Now change step by one. Whenever you will walk or whenever you will see in this one, what we will do, we will assign A or B, right? On button A pressed, on button B pressed. So what we will do, when you press the button, it will change the step by one every time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. Okay. So what we will do now, can anyone tell what we will do now?
Ma'am, on start,
Yes, on start. Then, then
set set step to zero, ma'am,
zero. Very, very good.
and then
Yes, then
change the step to one.
In
that will
forever,
be
ma'am.
in, no, not in forever. In forever, we will show the on screen, right? On in forever block, we will show on the screen the number, how many steps you moved, right? In on button A pressed, will keep the change. Okay. Whatever change will be there, when you press the A button, it will be added to this one. Understood? See, we have started our program with on start. It will set the step 0. Now when you press the A button, it will change the step by 1 every time. Every time when you press the A button, it will change the step by 1. And in forever block, always, you need to show always, right? When you are doing, when you are starting a program, or then also you have to show 0, right? Then 1. How many times you press the button, you will get the updated here and it will here. Then it will show on the screen. So what we will do, show number and this step block here. Is it correct? Is it correct? Is it correct or not? Okay, we'll see. Now, now 0, right? Press button 1. Press button 2. Press button 3. Press button 4. Press
Yes,
button
I can present this, ma'am.
what?
It's working, ma'am.
Yes, I can present this, ma'am.
I'm not able to hear you, Harry. Your mic is very like too much sound.
He's asking he want to present this in next class.
Not this. This is very simple. I'll give you what you need to present. Okay. So, like instead of on button A pressed, you can also use on shake. Okay. Harry, please mute your mic or else remove your headphones, whatever you are using. Okay. So, you understood this one? You understood this one? This is very simple program. And this I'm showing you only for like, you should know this program, okay? This is very simple and interesting. Okay. Like this, how, which program you can do? Like the same. Ideas here. Harry, go to muted. Navdeep, Navdeep,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, like this. Can you do another program? Same thing. Like change step should be changed. What can you do?
Ma'am,
Yes.
we can do goals counter, no, ma'am. Whenever the ball goes into the basket, it will count 1.
Very good. Yes. And in shopping malls that they when they are pricing now, then you can count the objects, how many objects are passing through the that channel. Understood? So many program you can do with this. Are you understanding or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So many program you can do this with this. Okay. And our next program is compass. And I know so many people have done already compass in this microbit. Samanvi,
Yes, ma'am.
Samanvi, done?
No, ma'am.
No. So okay. Now we will understand the compass program. Okay. Just give me 1 second. Okay. So about compass, like degrees we have in compass, right? So in degrees, how many degrees we have in one compass? From where to
180
where?
degrees, ma'am. 0
Where to
degrees
where?
to 180 degrees.
No. How many degrees we have?
360 degrees, ma'am.
0 to?
360 degrees.
Yes, good. 0 to 360 degrees we have in compass. Okay. So now we will understand first the degree concept, then we will come to our program. Okay. Okay. So see this now first. Are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you able to see this? See, from 0 we are starting. 0 is north. 90 is 90 is what? Have you used compass?
East, ma'am.
Yes, teacher.
So 0 is north, 90 is east,
East.
then 180 is
180 is
South.
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 and
270
270 is
west.
West.
270 west.
so now tell me if I want to show north in our like I want to show north in our microbit chip. So what reading I should give?
0
0 degree,
degrees.
right? But
teacher.
if you set 0 degree, so like exact on 0 only it will show you north. If your arrow is here on for compass, so it will not show you 0 north. So what you need to do? You need to set like this. If the you need to set one condition. Condition set we know, right? In if else we will set the condition. If that is less than 45 degrees, less than means this side, right? From
Yes,
0
teacher.
side. Less than means 0
Ma'am.
side. If
Less
that
than
is one,
45 degrees and more
then
than 0 degrees, ma'am.
yes, then it should show north. Because if you set 90 degrees, and see this will come, this 45 arrow will come in northeast, right? Not only in north. And this side we will come in north, right? So what we need to set? If it is less than 45, then show north. First we will show see for only north, east, west, and south. Not for northeast, not for this. Okay, first four condition only. So now I want to show south. What I should give the condition? What I should give the condition? If I want to show east,
More than 45 degrees.
more
More
than
than
40,
5.
45 don't see this one, don't see this one, only see, we are doing program for this one, not this one. Okay, see only this one. If I want to show east, what I should give the condition?
More than 45.
If you do more than 45 means 90, right?
Less than 90.
Exact only 90, it will show you east. If your arrow is here this side, it will not show you east. What we are doing, less than we are thinking now. If you take more than, greater than now, then you can set as what? Are you understanding? See first, I'll start. We are starting again. See, I want to show this north. I'll set the condition. If the arrow of compass is in range of 0 to 45, it will show you north. And I want to show now east. Now what I said, if the arrow is in 90 to 135, it will show you east. Okay. If the arrow is in 25 to 25 to 180, it will show you south.
South.
And if the arrow is in this range, 270 to 315, it will show you west. Okay. When we will come to northeast and this southeast now, then we will set the condition again. 135 to 180 to show southeast. Understood? To show southeast, we need to set this condition. And to show only east, you need to set this condition. Understood? To show northeast, what condition you need to set?
It should be between 135 to 180 degrees.
To show northeast.
Ma'am, it should be
Northeast.
less than 45 degrees.
It should be
Less than
between
45
90
means,
to 45. It should be
yes,
between
90
90
to
to
45 it
45.
should be. If you want to show northeast, it should be 90 to 45. Okay. See, simple you see, next one you have to set. If you want to show north is here, right? Next one is 45, you need to set 45. If you want to show east, the next one is 135, right? Remember this image to show 4 condition, and to show 8 condition, you need to remember this image. Okay. See now, the next one you see, if you want to show north, set 45. If you want to show east, short, show 135. If you need to show south, show 225. If you need to show west, show 315. Okay,
Yes, teacher.
understood?
Yes, teacher.
Shall we go for program?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now we'll see the program.
Ma'am, can you repeat it again, ma'am?
Okay, one more time I'll do. See, we have 4 sides, right? North, east, west, south. Okay, the north is in 0, east is in 90, south is in 180, and west is in 270. Okay, so if you'll keep, we can keep exact 0, 90, 180, 270. Okay, if you'll keep exact only at exact point only, it will show you north. If you if your arrow of compass is here, it will show you east, or sometimes it will show you north. Okay, we need to set one range. Okay, 0 to 45, it should show the north. So what we need to set, if the arrow is in less than 45, less than 45 means this side, right? 0 side, less than 45. Greater than 45 means 90 side. Less than 45 means 0 side. So if it is if the arrow of compass is in less than 45, you should show the north. And if the arrow of compass is in less than 135, see, in first if we will keep 45. Okay, so this block is gone, this from 45 to 0. Okay, now from 45 to 135 है. 135 to 90 is east. So if you show less than 135 till 90, it will show you the east. Understood?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Or for simple way, as I said, you see the next one. For 0, keep 45. For 90, keep 135. For 180, keep 225. And for 170, keep 350. Simple. And when it comes to northeast, southeast, both the like between, then we will see. I'll tell you the again next one trick. Okay, what you need to see for this, see the next one always less than or greater than. If you see, then that is a different one. Do it simple is less than 1. Okay, do from less than 1. Now we will see the program. Okay, so first what I should say, see, for if else, if you are using if else block now, always use forever block. That is a like trick. If you are using if else block now, so if else means already you have given one condition. On button A pressed means you are giving one condition. If you press button A pressed, then only the program will start. And then if you are using if else, you are giving condition, right? If this should happen, the program should start, right? So use always forever block for this. Forever. Then we need to set the degrees, right? This chip, if you will directly give if else and you will set the condition, this chip don't know na what we are using, which program you are doing. So first you need to set the degrees. So you need to make a variable called degree. Okay, now take this block, set degree. First we need to set degree, right? And in this one we already have compass one, compass block. See this compass heading degree. This you need to take and you need to keep here compass heading. Okay, now as I told you, we need to use conditions. So you need to take if else block. Okay, if else. If you want to take now, then you can increase from here plus. Okay. If you want to decrease, you can decrease from minus, like this. Understood? Understood?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, teacher.
See, if you
Yes,
keep
ma'am.
this block here now, already see this. This is 90 degrees, right? Which one? Which side? This side? 90 degrees, which side?
Right side.
Right, it is showing.
No, I'm asking north, east, west, south. Which one?
North. East side.
Uh,
90 is north.
East side, ma'am.
Yes.
East side, ma'am.
East.
0 means,
North.
see,
0 means not, teacher.
if you have this one physical now, my chip, then you can stand in a side and you can check. But this we don't have physical now, so that's why this block, this one. You can check from here. You can rotate this and you can check is your program is working or not. Okay. So now we will see what you need to do first. First, we need to set the condition, right? So this is if else block. Now take less than or greater than this block and keep here. Okay. And we made one variable now, degree. Take this degree. We need to compare degree, right? What we are comparing?
Degree.
So degree should be less than or first what you want to show less north, right? So less than should be what is the number?
45, less than 45.
Less than 45. Very good. Show north, right? So how we can show north? N or NORTH? What? How we can show? How we can show north?
Ma'am, we'll be having one in basic. We'll be having one option, ma'am. Show arrow.
Show arrow. Yes, this also you can use. Very good. Now we'll see what it's doing. See, less than 45, right?
Yes, teacher.
Because you have done the only one program, that's why it's showing you like this. Less than 45 means this everything is less than 45. Now that's why it's showing you the only one arrow. And if you want to use arrow, you can use arrow. If you don't want to use arrow, what I should do? I want to show N, north N.
Ma'am, go to basic and take
Why,
show string.
Taro? You joined now.
Ma'am, but I forgot that today call is this. So when I was seeing in the WhatsApp, I saw and then I joined, ma'am.
Okay. What I should use?
Yeah, show string, ma'am.
Or else you can, show string you can use, or else you can use show lets also, and you can make your image. And for simple way, I will use show string, and that option also very good. Someone we told now we have one arrow. That now increase this plus one more time you have to increase because you have to set the condition and you need this block here, right? Else if. Okay. Now same thing you have to do. You have to take the block this less than greater than and again degree because you are comparing degree. Now what should be here?
Ma'am, we can duplicate it now, ma'am.
Yes, you can duplicate it also. Good. I thought you are not listening. Now what I should do? I want to show east. Which number I should give?
90 degrees, ma'am.
No. If you will keep 90 exact on 90 only, it will show you east.
75.
See this picture and tell me.
135. Less
Good.
than 135.
Good. We should give less than 135. Now show string E, right? Right?
Yes, teacher.
Yes,
Now
teacher.
duplicate this. and again increase and keep this one here. And now which one? I want to show south.
Left and
South.
See this one?
225. 225.
Very good. Now we need to keep 225. 225. Okay. Show a string. S. Now duplicate this one. Same thing. Again increase this one. Keep this here and now west. Which one?
315.
Yes, 315. Now again show string and this one also you can duplicate it. Okay. W. Now this one we need to remove, right? Minus. Gone. This is the program for compass.
Okay, teacher.
You need to just remember the degrees here. Now see, on 90 it's showing east, right? I'll increase till 135 we will increase because we have given the condition now. Till 135 it should show the east. See 125, 130, 132, 3. See, you are on 138. It will show you south, not east. See now. After 225, it will show you west. See. Understood? This is the compass program. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Related to this program, which program can you do? You can do compass, sites.
Google Maps.
So many program you can do with this also. Showing the sites. Okay. And right, left also you can do. You can like if you want to show, you have one object. For that object you want to show right and left. Right and left also you can show with this. You have to use your mind. That's set 0 to 180 right and 182 to 360 left. Understood?
Yes, teacher.
For your left on right. Opposite to opposite will be. Understood?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Right left program you can do and compass one, Google Maps, and in Google Maps you have to set the locations. That is a different program. Okay. And Uday. Uday. Uday is here. Yes, he is here. Uday. Okay. So any doubts you have?
No, teacher.
No, ma'am.
Yes. Now in next class who is presenting? Navdeep, Jayesh, Lakshmi Rishita, and one more will be there, na?
Uday, ma'am.
Uday, I told. No. Navdeep, Jayesh, Rishita, and one more.
Ma'am, Vasanta Rao.
Yes, Vashanta Rao. Who is Vashanta Rao? He is not able to speak. Okay. These 4 members have to present in next class. You can use this compass program or one more which we did.
Ma'am, in next class I will also show, ma'am, compass programming.
Okay, you will also show, but I gave work for 4 members. In every class, we will do this thing. In every class, 4 members will present.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now tell me.
Ma'am, we have to do like this only, like using like this only. We have to make other program and we have to send it.
As we did compass one, and I told you, you can do the right left program also with this. So, like this right left program you can do, and you can think one more unique, like so many programs are there, not related to that. As we did that counting one, you can make that object counting like this. make and you need to show in next class. These 4 members. And other than 4 members, if you are doing the good project, you can also show. But I'll give you only 20 minutes to show because we need to take classes also, right? Any doubts?
No, teacher.
No. Okay, so we will end this class here. If you have any doubt, you can ask.